there are rumors flying around about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite coming into the Indian market pretty soon, and that should be an exciting news because the Galaxy Note series obviously is one of the very much chosen ones, but the Lite series of that should be priced less. So Note is actually above 60,000 rupees as the regular price, and if this goes under 50,000 rupees with some compromises, it should not be a bad deal at all. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which we checked out at the CES 2020 event here in Las Vegas. And there are few things to mention about the device, and let's see how it fares in case the price is around the 35,000 rupees price point, which is being rumored. If that's the price, I would say that this is quite a killer deal. But what is the phone pack? Let's talk that in the video first. So the Note 10 comes with a 6.7-inch display, which is now common among Samsung smartphones, the recent ones at least. The Galaxy S10 Lite has the same screen size, the Galaxy S71 as well has the same screen size, but here it's a Super AMOLED display with the Infinity O type, which is that punch hole display on the top for the camera cutout. And then it's the Full HD Plus resolution, which is 1080 to 2400 pixels of resolution. But Samsung this time has done quite a bit of a compromise. You can call it a compromise, or you can call it a strategy that some other brands already are using. So it comes with the Exynos 9810, the same chipset that was powering the Samsung Galaxy S9 series. It's a flagship chipset, no doubts about that. But the same chipset was having issues with some heating, and not just heating, otherwise it was such a good chipset itself. But having an older chipset always saves you some money, and you can see that from the example of Xiaomi. They have been using some chipsets which are repeated. When they perform well, they are repeated well into the future phones as well, so that the cost of the chipset goes down later, and also there are no complaints from people. So it's the Exynos 9810. In a way, it's an older chipset with the 10 nanometer manufacturing process, but still the performance won't be bad at all. With the options 6GB, 8GB RAM options, 128GB storage, microSD card slot, that's all going to be there. But with the camera combination, it's going to be quite different from the Galaxy S10 Lite. Here there are three cameras, all the three having 12 megapixel sensors, but the primary one has a f1.7 aperture, which is quite a good one. Along with that, there's a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera as well. So there are three cameras, all 12 megapixel, one regular, one wide angle, and one telephoto one. So all the three have some good purposes there. And along with that, again, on the front there's a 32 megapixel f2.2 selfie camera, which is again a good resolution to have. With the video recording and all, you can see there's 4K video recording, and 1080p videos can be captured at 60 fps. No compromises in those aspects either. And with the security as well, there's the under display fingerprint sensor, that's the optical fingerprint sensor that is present here. Face unlock is given as well, and Samsung has included the Android 10 based One UI 2.0 on this smartphone, which is again common on the recent devices. So all in all, you can see it's quite a good package with a battery as well, 4500 mAh battery with the 18-watt charging support. With the battery as well, it won't be a compromise. Again, Samsung Note series, you know that if it's a Note device, you know the battery life is to be good and should be good always. So 4500 mAh capacity is good. With that, I am sure the battery life also would be good enough. And the last thing, the S Pen. So S Pen is something that has always given people a choice for Note. So otherwise, people would usually go with the S series. Someone who's a fan of Samsung, you would usually go with the S series. But if you wanted that S Pen and the functionality of that, you'd always choose the Note series, you know that. And that is being given here. So there is S Pen matching the color of the phone. So there is an Aura Red and Aura Black, and also there's one Aura Glow version. Aura Glow was present on the Galaxy Note 10 as well. So no difference there, and the S Pen matches the back panel of the smartphone. So this is all about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. If this launches at around 35,000 in the Indian market, this should be quite a killer deal. I'm sure about that, because there are phones like the OnePlus smartphones in the same price range which are doing quite well, but it's a Note phone. So Samsung Galaxy Note series has always been known to do well, but if it's priced better, it surely is going to be one of the best phones in that price range. So that's it about the Galaxy Note 10 Lite in this video. Stay tuned for more coverage of the CES 2020 from Las Vegas, and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.